Okay, we are at 211 Birdsong in Kilgore, Texas today. It is located on the corner of Stone Road and Birdsong. There is a fire department right across the street. It is at the entrance to this neighborhood. It is a 6-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage home on a large cornered lot, fenced backyard, mature shade trees. Definitely a diamond in the rough. Walk inside and give you a quick tour of this 2,800 square foot home. Definitely needs some foundation work in this corner. I'm a couple inches down. Alright, so I can't give you a tour of the whole home. I'm just going to go through and make videos of each area. This is the living area. There is a crack through the middle of this foundation, and it looks to be concrete. And there was some previous work that's been done, but I'm not sure if it's just failing. Definitely see a large crack here. That's a good 1.5 inches. And I feel low in this corner over here. So that's the living area. All right, this is the family room. I don't feel foundation issues, but I'm not a foundation expert. I do see cracks. Just paint all this white on white. Maybe put some color on the wall. Maybe do an accent on this fireplace. The kitchen is probably going to be a total gut. And not sure what we're going to do with it. There's not a lot we can't. I mean, there's this eat-in dining area with these built-ins. The built-ins are god-awful, so I'm thinking take those out. Maybe even take this out, and if this isn't load-bearing, that'll help open that up. Put in a freestanding stove right here where this old electric Gen-Air oven is. Refrigerator will go there. The cabinets seem awfully high, so I think lowering them somewhat will make more sense. It seems to be my camera's turning off every time at a good time. So, hallway, again, this crack in the foundation. The hallway, we definitely want to keep all this wainscoting. It's beautiful. And it all looks to be intact, but that will probably be a different color. Master bath, this is the hall bathroom. It's hideous. Figure out what we're going to do there. Master bedroom. Nice size. Doesn't seem to be any major foundation issues. I don't see or feel any cracks, not even one. Definitely need to do some sheetrock repair in the closet. Bathroom, see what we can do about that. Make a decision on that. That's a stand-up shower, vanity, and toilet. My phone's... All right, now we're upstairs in the hallway. There's all these different storage closets. Closet there. Paneling that's messed up here, so we'll definitely need to replace the paneling. Lots of sheetwork repair from this leaking ceiling. There's probably a leak right there because that is an absolute hole, and you can see directly under it how it's messing up the paneling. Upstairs bedroom, the floor feels soft. I'm not sure. I have no idea where that quit recording. I was showing this leak in the hallway has a hole. You can see right under the hole. That bug scared me. That the paneling is rotten, and this wall in this upstairs bedroom is rotten and wet, currently wet. All right, here we are in the upstairs large bathroom. It has 2 sinks, toilet, and tub. It's kind of weirdly laid out, so I was thinking about double sinks in the upstairs bathroom. There's this weird wall. I guess it provides privacy, but it just feels boxy. Tub and toilet combo. The surround looks good to be in good condition, but it looks ugly. It's yellow.